Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Prajapati and I have created a basic banking system website. For front-end part, I use HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. For the backend part, I have used JavaScript and PHP. In this project, I have used PHP-MyAdmin database with SQL. So first of all, quickly I am going to show you the coding part of this project. So this is our index page, which means our website's home page. So here I have added Bootstrap and CSS files, which I will discuss further. So here you can see I have included a navbar page, and these things I have included in all of my pages. So the reason behind this is whenever we are creating new page, we don't need to add navbar code all the time. We just include our navbar.php file over here. So now this is our introduction section, in which I have simply added one image of bank. After this is our activity section, in which three functionality added. First is create a user if new user create his account. Second is make a transaction if one user transfer his money to the other user. And the last is transaction history, in which we can see all the details of the transaction. Now this is our footer part. You can add anything over here as per your preference. So this is our navbar part, which we are include in our all of the pages. So here I have simply used bootstrap classes to make our navbar responsive. So this is our database connection. Using this we are add our database connection in all of our pages. You can see here my server name is localhost, username is root, and database name is Indian Bank. In password field I have not add any data, so I simply put blank over here. So this is our user creation page. You can see here we are simply include our config.php file here and our backend logic. If user enter his name, email id and balance, then using this SQL query it will add to our database. After the successful user creation, it will show you the alert message that user is created. So here you can see this is the basic HTML code to create a user form, and we have simply added bootstrap classes to make our form responsive and good in style. So this is our transfer money page. Here you can see I have added a style tag, in which if any user hover his cursor on button, then its color change. After that I have simply include database connection page. Here select start from users means into the user table all the users detail will fetched and it will show in this page. And here I have simply create one table to show all the details of the users, like users name, email id and users balance. And so here using PHP I will able to fetch all the details of the users from database. So this is our transaction history page. In this you can see I have created one table in which I have defined a serial number, sender, receiver, amount and date and time. So using the SQL query I will fetch all of these transaction details from my transaction table. So in this I have simply added my backend logic. So you can see here using SQL query I simply fetch the detail of user, that which user transfer his money to which another user and how much amount user transferred. If amount is less than 0, then it simply shows the alert message negative values cannot be transferred. If balance is not sufficient, then it will simply shows the message that insufficient balance. If any user wants to transfer 0 amount, then it will show the alert message that 0 value cannot be transferred. If above conditions become false, then our else part is run. So in this part, first SQL query is for sender. If sender successfully transfer his money, then sender's account is updated with his new balance. And another SQL query is for receiver. If receiver successfully receive money, then receiver's account is also updated with his new balance. After this process, these details are reflected in our transaction table. Here I simply make one table of sender in which his name, email and balance is there. After this there is a transfer to field in which user have to choose a person for transfer his money to that particular person. After this there is a amount field in which user have to add a amount, how much amount he wants to transfer. So now we will see our phpMyAdmin database. In this there are two tables, one is for users and second one is for transaction details. So in this table all the details of users is there. In transaction table all the history of transaction is there. So this is our home page. First of all we go for transfer money. In this you can see there are 10 or 11 users. So now we are going to transfer money. Then choose a receiver. After this enter amount, then click on transfer button. You can see our transaction is done and transaction detail is also added to our history. Now we are going to add new user. Then enter the details of the user. After clicking the create button, you can see the alert message that user is created. You can see our new user is added to our user detail. So that's it guys. If you want to access this website, I put website link in the description box. If you did like my video, then click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.